Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove a favorite filter that you previously added in CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps, and to see your favorite list of filter, you just need to go to filter menu. Then here you can see this icon will show you the favorite list of filter, and you can just select the filter that you want to remove from this favorite list. So for example, I want to get rid of this one, so just long press on it and it will be removed from your favorite list. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.